welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Trish, and I use this channel to share what my day-to-day life is like. It is a Saturday afternoon, and we are headed to the Sharon, Hermitage, Pennsylvania areas. First, we're going to go to Daffin's, and then we're going to go to Kraynak's. They both have really nice free displays. You are going to see more Daffins than Kraynak's from me, because when we go to Kraynak's, we're going to be meeting up with some family, so that makes it harder for me to film. I do want to get a little to show you, though, because while I'm in that area, I can't not share it. It is amazing. If you've never been to Kraynak's, it's a must-do. It's just, I can't describe it. I hope I get to show a lot to you. So I am a wheelchair user. Accessibility-wise, both are good. All right, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, let's go have some Easter fun. Such a nice store. It does feel like it's more expensive this year, but isn't everything? I really prioritize experiences over things, so when we're going to several places, we don't always spend tons at each place, but I do like to buy at least one thing to thank them for having that great free thing to look at. All right, now we are headed to Kraynak's, and this is where it gets a little more sporadic because we are meeting family there, and I don't want them in my video, so I will show you what I can. Oh, accessibility wise, Daffin's didn't really have any issues other than the handicap bathroom is like in the staff area. Like it says employees only, but then it says handicap bathroom for customers, so that is a little awkward. But other than that, at least they had a bathroom, because their main bathroom a wheelchair wouldn't fit in, so that is the only accessibility thing, but there is a bathroom, so there's that. All right, now we're going to go look at Kraynak's. That was Kraynak's. We had a great time. The Easter Bunny Lane wasn't that busy, so I did get to show you a lot, and I'm really happy with that. Now, the Easter Bunny had a half an hour line. Yeah, that was wild. I ended up having to duck out to use the restroom and just got back as my daughter was sitting on the bunny, so I didn't get it on video, but I did get to see it It was just a really long, hard to wait in line. So that's something to keep in mind if you come on weekends, is that you may have to wait in line to see Easter Bunny Lane and the bunny. You could have to wait in a lot of lines. So if you have a kid that has trouble with that, that's something to consider. It is fully accessible, and they have a very nice bathroom, handicap bathroom stall, and it has a sink inside, which I always think is cool, and it's at the perfect height. It was really dirty. The whole store was dirty, honestly. I was a little disappointed. I've never seen it that dirty before. There was garbage everywhere. So it's not as clean as it used to be, but they're probably short-staffed like everyone else. All right, I am so thankful that you're still watching. It means so much to me.